In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge vectors in a simple and beginner-friendly way using two powerful methods, union and combine. Whether you're cleaning up shapes, building logos, or organizing your design layers, knowing the difference between these tools will save you a ton of time and frustration. Make sure to stick around because I'll also show you how to undo or separate your vectors when needed. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the union method, also known as a permanent weld. This is what you'll use when you want to merge overlapping shapes into one clean, continuous vector. Start by selecting two or more overlapping shapes using the selection tool. You can press S on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Make sure your shapes are actually overlapping because union works by removing the internal intersecting lines. Once your shapes are selected, go up to the top menu and click Path, then choose Union. You can also use the shortcut control and the plus key to speed things up. As soon as you apply union, you'll notice that all the internal lines where the shapes overlapped are gone. What you're left with is a single clean shape. This is especially useful for creating logos, icons, or any design where you want a smooth outline without overlapping edges. Now, if you're working with text, there's one important step. You need to convert your text into a path first. To do that, select your text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Once converted, your text becomes a vector shape, and then you can apply union just like any other object. Just keep in mind that after converting text to a path, you can't simply ungroup it back into editable text. You would need to use path tools to modify or separate it. Next, let's move on to the combine method, which works a bit differently. Combine is perfect when you want multiple paths grouped into a single object entry, but without actually merging their shapes together. To use combine, select multiple paths that you want to group. These shapes don't even need to overlap. Then press Ctrl plus K on your keyboard. What happens here is that all selected paths are combined into one object in your layers panel. This helps keep your workspace organized, especially when dealing with complex designs. However, unlike union, the individual shapes are still intact within that combined object. Now here's the best part. If you ever want to separate those shapes again, you can easily do that. Just go to Path in the top menu and select Break Apart, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus K. This will split the combined object back into individual paths. So to quickly recap, use union when you want to permanently merge overlapping shapes into one clean vector, and use combine when you want to group multiple paths into a single layer while still keeping them editable. And that's it. You now know how to merge vectors using both union and combine. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and effective design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.